Okay, so I genuinely think most people waste way too much time online without even realizing it. And honestly, once you start using tools like these, normal internet usage starts feeling slow. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 websites that can genuinely save your hours every single week. Number 1. Bardeen AI. So the first website is Bardeen AI. And honestly, this one feels like having a personal assistant inside your browser. Basically, it automates repetitive tasks for you, which sounds simple at first, but once you actually starting using it, you realize how much time you wasted doing small boring things every day, like copying information from websites, saving data into Google Sheets, moving stuff between apps, organizing links, sending repetitive emails. People do these things manually all the time, but Dean can automate a lot of that. And what I like about it is that it doesn't feel overall technical or confusing like some automation tools do. You can create workflows using drag and drop system, so even if you are not into coding or tech stuff, it feels like pretty easy to use. It also connects with apps like Gemini, Notion, Slack, Trello, Google Docs, and a bunch of other platforms people already use daily. Honestly, this is one of those websites where the time-saving effect slowly builds up. At first you think, okay, this is cool, but after a few days you realize you are doing way less repetitive work than before. There is also free version available, which is honestly enough for most people in the beginning, and there is paid plan if you want more advanced automations. Tool number 2. Fireflies AI. Now the second website is Fireflies AI, and this one is honestly super useful for students, remote workers, or basically anyone who attends online meetings or classes. You know, when you are in a Zoom call or lecture and you are trying to focus while also writing notes at the same time. Most of the time you either miss important information or your notes end up messy. Firefiles basically fixes that problem. It automatically records and transcribes meetings in real time. So while people are talking, everything is already being converted into text for you. And the good thing is that it doesn't just throw random paragraphs at you. It organizes the conversation, lets you highlight important moments, create summaries, and even search specific part later. Honestly, for students, this could save a ridiculous amount of time because instead of replaying entire lecture again, you can just search exactly what you need. It works with Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and other platforms too. So it fits easily into the most people's workflow. There is a free plan available, and unless you are using it heavily every single day, the free version is honestly already really good. Tool number 3. Synthesia. Okay, now this next website genuinely feels futuristic. It's called Synthesia, and basically it lets you create AI videos just by typing text. Like literally, you write a script, choose an AI avatar, and the website turns into a professional looking video, which is honestly crazy considering how expensive and time consuming video production normally is. You don't need a camera setup, expensive equipment, or even editing experience. And what surprised me is how realistic some of the AI avatars actually look. Now compared to older AI videos, they are still not perfect obviously, but they are good enough for presentations, tutorials, educational content, business content, and social media content. You can also add subtitles, stock footages, voiceovers, backgrounds, and even create videos in multiple languages. So if someone is a creator, business owner, teacher, or even just someone who wants to make videos faster, this tool can honestly save a huge amount of time. It's one of those websites where you can immediately see how useful it could become in the future. Number 4. TinyWow. Now the next website is probably the most practical website on this entire list. It's called TinyWow, and honestly, this thing feels like a toolbox for the internet. It gives you access to a huge collection of tools for PDFs, images, videos, text, or file conversations all in one place. And the best part is that most of the tools are completely free, which honestly feels rare nowadays because almost every website wants a subscription for the smallest feature. With TinyWow, you can do things like remove image backgrounds, compress files, convert PDFs, merge documents, edit videos, convert file formats, and a bunch of other random tasks that suddenly become important at the worst possible moment. And what makes it really useful is how simple everything feels. You don't need to download software or go through complicated setups. You literally open the website, use the tool, and leave. It's one of those websites that you probably will not think about every day, but the moment you urgently need it, it becomes incredibly useful. Honestly, every student or creators should probably bookmark this website. Number 5. Screenshot Guru. And the last website is Screenshot Guru. This one is much simpler than the others, but honestly still really useful. Basically, it lets you take clean, high quality screenshots of websites. And if you ever tried taking screenshots manually, especially long web pages, then you already know how annoying that can be sometimes. Weird cropping, blurry quality, missing sections, it gets messy really fast. With Screenshot Guru, you just paste the web page link and it generates a clean screenshot automatically, which is honestly super useful for bloggers, students, designers, content creators, or anyone who works online and needs professional looking screenshots for presentations, projects, or videos. It's one of those small tools that doesn't sound exciting at first, but once you use it a few times, you realize how much easier it makes things. So yeah, these were 5 websites that can genuinely save you hours every single week. And honestly, once you start finding tools like these, the internet becomes way more useful because you stop wasting time doing things manually. There are so many websites out there that most people never hear about, but they can completely change the way you study, work, or create content online. And if you want more videos about AI tools, useful websites, productivity apps, and hidden tools, then subscribe to Shaxora because I'm going to keep posting more stuff like this. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.